Ashama. Hello. Welcome to Afaan Oromoo Basics by Gumi Kaku. I'm Ebati, a guest lecturer for this lesson. Today in lesson 5, we will look at the days of the week. Stay tuned. Maqaa Guyyootaa Days of the week. Wiixata Monday. Kibxata Tuesday. Roobii Wednesday. Kamisa Thursday. Jimaata Friday. Sanbata Saturday. Dilbata Sunday. Amma immoo guyyoota torbanii armaan olitti argine walumaa galatti ilaalla. Now, let's generalize days of the week we saw above. Wiixata Monday. Kibxata Tuesday. Roobii Wednesday. Kamisa Thursday. Jimaata Friday. Sanbata Saturday. Dilbata Sunday. Now let's see each days of the week with their examples. Example. Guyyaa wiixataa baay'een jaalladha. I love Monday. Example. Guyyaan dhaloota koo kibxatadha. Tuesday is my birthday. Example. Ani fi abbaan koo bashannanaaf roobii Bishooftuu deemna. My father and I will go to Bishooftuu for vacation on Wednesday. Example. Caaltuun kamisa dhufti. Caaltuu will come on Thursday. Caaltuun jimaata dhufu deemti. Caaltuu will go on the coming Friday. Example. Sanbata manni hojii baay'een cufaadha. On Saturday, many offices are closed. Example. Dilbata fira gaafanna. We will visit relatives on Sunday. Some of the days of the week have different names in different parts of Oromia. Monday, Wiixata, Dafinoo, Hojjaa Duraa. Tuesday, Kibxata, Lammaffoo, Facaasaa. Saturday, Sanbata xiqqaa. Sunday, Dilbata, Sanbata guddaa. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to email us at kakuucollective@gmail.com. Please find accompanying materials for this lesson in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more lessons and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Telegram for updates on our activities. Thank you. Galatoma.